Python is key and dict different / faster than key and dict.keys. Intuitively, I think key and dict is faster than key and dict.keys since .keys creates a list of keys. This question is to confirm if this is true. Just wondering if key and dict internally creates / uses a list to find if the key is present. Also, is one method faster than the other?
Short answer. In Python 2, your assumption is correct. Dict.keys slows down. In Python 3, your assumption is not correct. In dict.keys performs like. In dict. Details for Py 2 and Py 3 follow below. Python 2.7 answer. Your assumption is correct, for the following reasons. Dict.keys involves an additional function call, stack overhead. Dict.keys returns a list, which contains all keys in memory, as opposed to a lazy generator object. Hence it needs to allocate memory. Key in dict can use a set object internally, which is an index lookup. Key in dict.keys is a linear search in a list. I created a small benchmark script to show my point. Output, Python 2.7.6 Ubuntu 14.04. I also tested with the near of iterations and the dict size swapped, dict of only 100 items, 1 meter iterations. Here the results are much closer together. So the performance difference really grows with the size of the dict. Python 3 answer. I adapted the script for Python 3. This range is gone, use range instead. Not in the performance critical inner loop of the test function, so limited performance impact, use braces with print, change shebang line to #user/bin/python3. And tested with Python 3.4.3 on the same machine.